Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. Take another deep breath, slower this time, and as you exhale, feel the weight of your body settling into complete comfort. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears, releasing any tension you've been holding. And as you relax, you begin to notice the natural rhythm of your breathing, effortless and steady, a gentle anchor in this present moment. This is your time, a sacred space where the outside world fades and you turn your attention inward to the vast, powerful landscape of your own mind. With each breath you take, you sink deeper into this state of profound relaxation. Yet, your mind is becoming more clear, more focused, more alert. It's a wonderful paradox, this state of deep calm and heightened awareness. And I wonder if you can feel that quiet sense of readiness within you, a subtle hum of potential that exists just beneath the surface of your thoughts. Perhaps you came here today carrying thoughts of your goals, your dreams, the ambitions that stir your soul. Maybe you felt the weight of wanting to achieve more, to become more, to step into the fullest expression of your potential. And feel the air filling your lungs cool and life-giving. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. And now, bring your awareness to the space behind your closed eyes, to the center of your forehead, your mind's eye. In this space, you can begin to imagine, to visualize, to create. And as you relax more deeply with every word you hear, you might notice that the voice of self-doubt, the critic, the worrier, begins to grow quieter, softer, and more distant. Because in this state, we're not interested in limitations. We're not concerned with the past. We are focused purely on the present moment and the infinite potential that exists within you right here, right now. Now, let's begin to program this beautiful mind of yours for success. And the first truth we plant is this: success is not something you chase. Success is something you attract by becoming the person who naturally embodies it. And as you breathe in, you can feel that truth taking root. With every breath in, you are drawing in the energy of achievement. With every breath out, you release any old patterns that no longer serve you. Feel that shift happening at a cellular level. Your mind is like rich, fertile soil, and these words are the seeds. And you can feel the soil being prepared, turned over, made ready for new growth. I am a natural magnet for success. Say it silently to yourself. I am a natural magnet for success. And as you say it, feel a warmth spreading through your chest, a confidence that you don't have to force. It's simply there, arising naturally, because it's always been there, waiting to be acknowledged. You might find yourself smiling slightly, and with each breath, you are programming the success mindset deeper and deeper into your subconscious. The conscious mind may question, but the subconscious simply accepts. And it's accepting these new truths right now. My potential for success is unlimited. Repeat that silently. My potential for success is unlimited. Feel the expansiveness of that statement. Feel the freedom that comes from knowing there is no ceiling on what you can achieve. There is no quota on the good you can bring into the world. There is no limit to the heights you can reach. And as you sit with this truth, you might begin to see a version of yourself, a future self who has already achieved what you're working toward. See them clearly. See how they stand, how they carry themselves. See the calm confidence in their eyes, the ease in their smile, and know that they are not a stranger. They are you. They are the you that already exists in your potential, and they are reaching back to you right now to remind you of who you truly are. Feel that connection. Feel the energy of your future success flowing back to you, filling you with certainty. Because success is not a destination you arrive at. It's a state of being you embody. And you can embody it right now, in this moment, with this breath. Every challenge I face is an opportunity to grow stronger. Say it again, with feeling. Every challenge I face is an opportunity to grow stronger. And you can feel a new relationship with obstacles forming. No longer do you see them as roadblocks, but as stepping stones. No longer do they trigger fear, but curiosity, because you know that every difficulty is simply a lesson in disguise, a chance to develop the resilience that success demands. Think of a challenge you faced recently, and now see it differently. See it as a gift, a teacher, and feel the gratitude replacing the frustration. Feel the strength you gained from it, the wisdom. And as you feel this, you reprogram your mind to see all future challenges in this empowering light. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release the old story of struggle and breathe in the new story of growth. But I am worthy of achieving my biggest goals. Let that sink in. I am worthy of achieving my biggest goals. Let that sink in. I am worthy of achieving my biggest goals. Not just capable, but worthy. Because capability without worthiness is like a locked door without a key. But now, you feel the key being placed in your hand. You are worthy of the success you desire, not because of what you've done, but because of who you are. Your worthiness is inherent. It's unchanging, and it's time you claimed it. Feel that worthiness as a golden light in your chest, expanding with every breath. It's a light that shines through you, illuminating your path forward. And anyone who sees you can see this light. They can feel your confidence, your certainty, your worth. And opportunities are naturally drawn to this light. People are drawn to it. Success is drawn to it. My actions are aligned with my highest vision. And you might notice that the right ideas come to you at the right time. The right people appear in your life. The right opportunities present themselves, not by coincidence, but because you are aligned. You are in the flow. Breathe in the flow of success. Breathe out any resistance. I am disciplined and focused on what matters most. Say it to yourself. I am disciplined and focused on what matters most. Feel the power of that discipline. It's not a forced, rigid discipline. It's an effortless focus that arises when you're connected to your purpose. When you know what matters most, the distractions fall away. When you're clear on your priorities, the noise fades, and you find yourself naturally, easily, taking the actions that move you forward. Feel the satisfaction of that focused action. Feel the momentum building. Each step you take creates energy, and that energy propels you to the next step. And before you know it, you're in a powerful rhythm of achievement. I release all fear of failure. Let that sink in deeply. I release all fear of failure. And as you say it, feel a lightness spreading through your body, as if a heavy burden is being lifted from your shoulders. The fear of failure is just a story that was told to you, or a story you told yourself. But it's not the truth. The truth is that failure is just feedback. It's data. It's information that helps you adjust your course. And now, you welcome feedback. You welcome the opportunity to learn and refine and improve. Because you know that every successful person has failed more times than they've succeeded. And their success is not despite those failures, but because of them. Each failure taught them something valuable. Each failure strengthened their resolve. And now, you're doing the same. You're using every experience, every outcome, as fuel for your success. Aerate, encourage, breathe out fear. I am surrounded by success and support. Feel the truth of that. I am surrounded by success and support. Picture the people in your life who believe in you. See their faces. Feel their encouragement. Know that you are not alone on this journey. You have guides, mentors, allies, and cheerleaders. And you are also becoming that supportive presence for others. As you rise, you lift others. And as you lift others, you rise higher. Feel the network of support surrounding you, holding you up, propelling you forward. It's a beautiful web of connection, and you are a vital part of it. You are supported. You are encouraged. You are believed in. And now, we anchor all of these feelings, all of these truths into your body. We create a powerful anchor for this success state. I want you to bring your thumb and forefinger together. gently to form a circle. This simple gesture will become your anchor for success. As you hold this gesture, feel all the sensations we've been building, the magnetism for success, the unlimited potential, the strength through challenge, the deep sense of worthiness, the clarity and alignment, the discipline and focus, the freedom from fear, the powerful web of support. Feel all of this energy converging, intensifying. This is your success anchor. And anytime you need to access this state, you can simply bring your thumb and forefinger together, and this feeling will return to you instantly. Now, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release the anchor, letting your hands rest comfortably. And now, we integrate all of these transformations into your daily life. Imagine yourself waking up tomorrow morning. You feel refreshed, energized, and you're already carrying the success mindset with you. As you go through your day, you notice how you respond to situations differently. There's a calm confidence in your interactions. There's a clarity in your decisions. There's an ease in your actions. You are moving through the world as the successful person you know yourself to be. See yourself handling a situation that used to be stressful, and watch how you handle it with grace and poise. See yourself taking a bold step toward your goals, and feel the excitement, not the fear. This is your new reality. This is your reprogrammed mind. Feel the gratitude for this transformation. Feel the joy of becoming who you were always meant to be. Feel the peace that comes from knowing you are on the right path. I am a success, not in the future, not when I achieve a certain goal, but right now, in this moment, I am a success, because success is a state of being, and I am being it now. I attract opportunities with ease. I take inspired action. I achieve my goals with grace and joy. I am a powerful creator of my reality. I am worthy. I am capable. I am successful. Take a deep, full breath and feel the energy of success pulsing through every cell of your being. This is your truth. This is your nature. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.